So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your mouse scroll button is not working. Now, in order to fix that, simply open the settings of your laptop. Here, search for mouse right there. Click on the mouse settings. Now, once you are in the mouse settings, click on the mouse and mouse pointer and touch. And here you'll see this option of mouse indicator right there. When you scroll down, you'll see this option of mouse again, mouse pointer speed, primary button and scrolling. Simply click over there. Now here you'll find this option that says mouse lines to scroll at a time. Simply click on this option off and select for multiple lines at a time, and make sure to set it to above around 2 to 3, and again click on this, make sure this is on, and make sure to change all things to this settings, and that's definitely gonna fix your issue. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.